Hey everyone, welcome to the language code. Let's decode the languages with Nitika. So my name is Nitika and a very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. In this video, I'm not going to give any information related to French or anything. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about my journey as a learner from day one as a learner to today. Like everything, I'm going to give you all the details. How I hustled, how I overcame my chaos, everything I'm going to discuss in this video. I had confusions. It is normal to have confusions. I had hundreds of doubts. You people today have less doubts, but I used to have hundreds of doubts. You know, when I used to come out of the class, everything used to be a doubt. So yes, it's normal to have confusion, to have doubts. It's all normal, right? And I had mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. Mistakes are okay. You can work on them. You can overcome your mistakes. So everything is fine. If you are facing the same things, not an issue. Everybody does that. Today, I have been training hundreds of students across the globe, and I really feel proud of it that yes, that day I did not quit. That is why today I am able to stand and do all the things that I ever desired for. So yes, without any ado, let's get started with the video. Let me take you to the first day of my classes. So I remember it was my first day at my institute, and I went for the class full of confidence, enthusiasm and everything. I was like on the seventh sky. Yes, I'm learning French. Everybody feels like that on the first day. And the minute the class ended and I came out of the class, literally, I was full with confusion and full of hundreds of doubts in my mind. I felt that I couldn't understand anything. And I'm wondering, am I the only one who was not able to understand, or everybody was able to understand? Hundreds of doubts. What is this? What is that? It is written in English, but nothing relatable to English. You will find it funny that there's a word in French that is hello, bonjour. Today we say bonjour, but the first time I learned, it took me 10 days to understand how to speak R. I used to speak R, bonjour, bonjour. I really don't remember also how you used to speak that. But yes, it took me 10 long days to understand how to speak bonjour. It was that hard for me. Now you can literally understand that what all I faced. I had a lot of doubts, and at that time in my institute, we were not able to directly get in touch with the teacher or anything. They used to be get in touch with the trainer only through mails and all those professional platforms. So yes, I struggled a lot the first day. Then it took me 10 days to adapt that language. I was in my graduation, a medical student, and you know that a medical student has a lot to do. Practicals, I cannot afford to miss even a single practical, because we used to have practicals. If I miss one practical, the other ones are going to get all above my head. So yes, I had a lot of time issues. Yes, I used to work, I used to do my graduation, and I used to learn French. I used to do all these three things. Apart from that, I was not living with my family, so I had to live in the other city. So I had to cook, I had to prepare meals for myself, I had to do grocery, I had to do everything. So yes, I faced the same problems as you face. So it's normal. French is not that too hard. Then one day, it was around 2 weeks, I used to go to the classes and come out without understanding. Only 10% used to go into my head, or even sometimes 0% used to go into my head. And I used to after 2 weeks, after I guess 15 days or 2 weeks, I cried. I literally cried a lot that I'm not able to comprehend the language, I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to manage things. I literally cried out loud, and I called my parents that I wanted to learn the language, but I'm not able to do it. So my father made me comfortable. He talked to me. He said, okay, if you're not able to do, leave it. So I quit the language and I aced it. I learned it. Yes, I was not the topper of my class, definitely, but yes, slowly and gradually I started learning. I started working on my concepts. I started, revising things, practicing things, because I got the one trick that language is just like maths. The more you practice, the more efficient you become in the language. So I had that in my mind that yes, I had to practice every day, either listen to podcasts, watch cartoons, or watch A1 or A2 level of movies, read storybooks. I did like that. So I thought that yes, this is a language and I have to learn it in a way that makes me interested in the language. So I am a book reader, I love reading books. So I started reading French books, French cartoons, watching French cartoons, started listening to podcasts. So yes, that really made a difference. I used to really hustle a lot in the starting, but yes, at the end of the day, I was able to crack my DELF exams, and yes, I did it. Similarly, if you also make something, what I think is psychologically, if we make something in our mind, our body works in that same proportion. So if you have, written in your mind that yes, I can do it, your body will work in a way that you will be able to do. You just have to train your brain that yes, I have to do it, I will do it, it will do it. But if you train your mind, no, I cannot do it, then you won't be able to do it, for sure. You train your brain in a positive way. Yes, this is very easy. You'll be able to ace that. But yes, if you do not do that, no, you'll not be able to do it. So the basic funda is कि बस mind को train करना है and work accordingly. The journey is not that difficult. If you've trained your mind, you have just gone through half a way. That's really true. Then I gave my DELF exam A1, then I cracked my A2, gave my DELF A2, then B1, and then B2, and then C1. Gradually, I gave all my exams, aced my exams, and then recently, I also gave my TEF exam, and I got a very good band score in that also. So I'm really happy to share my experience with you, and I'm sharing this experience because yes, it's very normal to have doubts, have confusion, make mistakes, not able to speak properly. Speaking and listening are the most difficult modules. Why? Because we do not live in a francophone category, right? We don't have anyone who could speak that language with us. So that makes it really a different and a difficult situation for practicing the language. But yes, stand in front of a mirror, take a topic, like you can job, hobbies, anything, take a random topic and start speaking on it. Record yourself on your phone, and yes, you'll be able to do it. It's very easy. So everyone starts from somewhere or the other. So it's normal to take a decision and start from a point. Everybody does that. And always make sure to repeat one sentence every day to yourself when you feel that I have to quit this. Always repeat one sentence to yourself that if he can do it, if she can do it, why not me? I can also do it. This is challenging, it's okay. I have faced a lot of challenges, it's okay. I will be doing it and I have to do it. If you start repeating and slowly and gradually, French will not be a scary world for you. It is going to be a very happy and engaging and interactive medium of communication for you one day. So that's the beauty. French is a very beautiful language, and if you explore the culture, it's way too beautiful. So yes, at the end I would like to say that if you are also someone who wants to start French or who is struggling with French, just do one thing. Make up your mind and tell your mind that yes, I can do it and I will be able to do it. That's it. And I would again like to repeat one thing. It's normal to have confusions. It's normal to make mistakes. You speak with mistakes, no issues. There is, at least you tried to speak. So it's okay. Make mistakes. Mistakes are good. If you make mistakes, only then you'll be able to work on. What matters is confusion, chaos, hustle, nothing matters. What matters is that you show up every day for that particular thing. The consistency, the determination, the hard work you put in will definitely going to outshine you one day. And that's not too difficult, I guess. If you are consistent, if you are chasing something, you're definitely going to get that. So, but you have to obviously work towards it. See, for cracking your TEF or TCF exam, it's not difficult. Just spare, 3 to 4 hours. If you want to crack in minimum time, like 7 to 8 months, at least apart from the coaching, at least 3 to 4 hours of self-study every day. And if you have like 10 months or 12 months, then in that case, 2 hours self-study is more than enough. But yes, you have to be hardworking and consistent with your work. And you have to show up every day for French. Either you listen to podcasts, you have to do reading, you have to do, you have to do a little bit of speaking, stand in front of the mirror and start speaking any random topic. Record yourself and see. And this, if you follow this routine for 4 weeks, that is going to being able to incorporate that language in yourself, and you will feel the difference. That's not too hard. Okay, so I'll end this, and yes, this is a very beautiful language, and who knows, one small bonjour can lead you to a big opportunity in future, maybe in Canada, maybe in France, or any other French-speaking country. So don't lose or don't quit. Try it for yourself. I'll meet you in the next. Bye-bye.